What is DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid, more commonly known as DNA, is a complex molecule that contains all of the information necessary to build and maintain an organism. All living things have DNA within their cells. In other words, whenever organisms reproduce, a portion of their DNA is passed along to their offspring. Deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA is an organic chemical that contains genetic information and instructions for protein synthesis. It is found in most cells of every organism. DNA is a key part of reproduction in which genetic heredity occurs through the passing down of DNA from parent or parents to offspring. Why is DNA important? DNA is pivotal to our growth, reproduction, and health. It contains the instructions necessary for your cells to produce proteins that affect many different processes and functions in your body. Because DNA is important, damage or mutations can sometimes contribute to the development of disease. DNA is important because It carries the genetic information that gets passed down from one generation to the next generation. It contains the coding for proteins. DNA is genetic instruction guide for life and life's processes. DNA is very important by being able to replicate itself. The chemical DNA was first discovered in 1869, but its role in genetic inheritance was not demonstrated until 1943. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick, aided by the work of biophysicists Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins, determined that the structure of DNA is a double helix polymer, a spiral consisting of two DNA strands wound around each other. The breakthrough led to significant advances in scientists' understanding of DNA replication and hereditary control of cellular activities. The discovery in 1953 of the double helix, the twisted ladder structure of deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA by James Watson and Francis Crick marked a milestone in the history of science and gave rise to modern molecular biology, which is largely concerned with understanding how genes control the chemical processes within cells. In short order, their discovery yielded groundbreaking insights into the genetic code and protein synthesis.